If you're new to Cash App and need help setting up your account, you're in the right place. Today I'll guide you through the entire process of signing up and creating a Cash App account. Let's get started. First, you need to download the Cash App. Head over to the App Store, and if you're using an iPhone, or the Google Play Store if you're an Android device. Select search for Cash App and tap download or install. Once the app is downloaded, tap sign up. You'll be asked to enter your phone number or email address. Enter the information and tap next. Cash App will then send you a verification code via text or email. Enter this code to verify your identity. To start sending and receiving money, you'll need to link a bank account or debit card. Go to the banking section by tapping the bank account. Tap link bank or add bank account and follow the prompts to add your banking details. You might need to log in to your bank account or enter your card details manually. Then Cash App will ask you to create a PIN for security purposes. Enter a 4-digit PIN and confirm it. This PIN will be required to authorize transactions. Next, you need to create a unique $cashtag. This is a unique identifier that others will use to send you money. Enter your preferred cashtag and tap next. Then Cash App may ask for additional personal information to verify your identity further. This can include your full name, date of birth, and social security number. Enter this information if prompted. Once you've completed these steps, your Cash App account is set up and ready to use. You can now explore the app, send and receive money, and use additional features like investing and cash card. And that's it. You've successfully set up your Cash App account.